Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Raise the vehicle and support it securely. Remove the rear wheel. Move any lines away from the rear shock mount area. Uninstall the rear shock. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear shock mount by cutting along the base where it is welded to the crossmember. If the crossmember needs replacement, do so now and mark the shock mount location on the new crossmember. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Position the replacement shock mount using the factory silhouette or your repair kit markings for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. If any other parts were removed to install a frame repair kit, install their replacements or reinstall them at this time. Reinstall any removed components. Reinstall the rear wheel and rear shock.